chess pieces in place.
Yeah. You contacted your people. All right. Well, yeah, it's game day. Let's see what happens. All right. So the day has begun. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Again, 5K each. Empty cases. Buy whatever we can, and then sell whatever we can with that stuff. I'm gonna get destroyed.
What's up, guys? I'm vending my first show. I'm probably not gonna buy anything. I'm probably gonna stand here and just hang out for a couple hours and leave, and then go to the gym. Actually do have my first pickup of the day. We got a Triumphant Selby Hollow and a PSA 10. It's one I didn't have, so love to have it. I paid $4K cash. Not bad.
How you doing? Yes, I am.
I got some cards I'm trying to get rid of.
Okay. Take a look. Just so I can start this challenge and win. I'll buy them all.
You were here yesterday too?
I was, yeah.
Oh, but you didn't have the competition thing?
No, I was actually selling. I have all my stuff again. He's not going to be here super long today, so as soon as he's out, I'm going to put out all my stuff. Don't sell him anything. Okay, so last couple sales on this for the condition mod play is like 213, 210, and 211.
Yeah.
So I'll probably just do, yeah, this is like 212, just meet it right in the middle. So the total market value is 275.
Okay.
Probably do 80% for you.
80%?
Yeah, so 220.
220? Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah? Cool. What's your name?
Nathan.
Nathan, Brian. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
He wouldn't have bought this anyway. But yeah, Nathan, 220. This is the one. It's mod play though, so we'll see what happens. Starting with nothing. Oh, tell me you have things for me.
I do.
Oh, yes.
We got Dennis here, baby. What slabs you got? I just bought.
You bought celebrations.
I bought fucking 600 more. How much?
Celebrations?
Yeah.
Oh my.
How much you want for these? I paid 33 each last time. How much you want for everything?
No, sir.
How much you want?
Dennis, why are you helping him?
The guy, look at him. I have something for you, don't worry. The 20?
20.
1 to 3.
That's fine. 600. Thank you. First deal of the day, actually Dennis coming by selling us some 20 celebrations packs for 600, baby.
I gave you a binder.
Yeah.
And I said, just offer me a price on the binder.
Oh, the whole binder?
The whole binder, yeah.
Is it like?
Nothing crazy. It's like all e-readers and stuff.
It's not crazy.
It's not crazy.
I like e-readers. I love e-readers.
See
How about we start with taking a gander?
Next deal of the day, we got two celebrations tins, the Dark Sylveon and Lance's Charizard for $100 each, 200. So 800 total going out to Dennis.
Thank you, sir. This is good money. Thank you.
Are conditions like all mixed and everything?
Mix.
Yeah.
Some are damaged, some are HP, some are LP.
Is there anything that's okay? A couple near minutes.
Next deal of the day, we got an Ultra Prism sealed booster box. Getting it from Dennis for $1,300. Dennis, once again, always a pleasure. Shout out to Dennis the Menace.
I mean, I'm just gonna throw out a number, and please don't be offended by it. Just because I'm not looking at it, I don't know what's what.
Binder as well, so you can keep the binder.
It's a dope price.
I honestly would probably offer you like 200. Because I don't know. And again, please don't be offended. I'm not trying to like lowball you. I just have no idea what I'm looking at. It's gonna take a lot of time to really go through it and get you more accurate. So like, look, that's what I got. If you want to keep walking around, please do that. But if you think that's fine, so again, I had no idea. I don't know if you said around 4. So like, I'm not saying that's wrong, but I know how collector is with conditions. It's usually a little higher on the higher end. So I think 200 with all the information that I have is probably safe for me.
Are you here the whole day?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll come back here.
Okay. What was your name, sir?
Ryan.
Ryan?
Yeah, Ryan.
Aha!
I or with a Y?
Why?
Are you asking me why or is it
I'm Brian.
Okay.
And that's Ryan.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
How's it going?
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
I'm here because you advertised it.
Oh, really?
I drove 2 hours.
What's your name again?
Wes.
Wes? Nice to meet you, bro.
I've been watching you for a long time.
I appreciate the support.
I don't know,
Basement
you were up
days?
to, like, yeah, the basement, like Pokeref stuff, and I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, cool, local. How much you want for this?
15.
If I liked Ultra Prism more.
Yeah, it's tough.
Yeah.
It's tough.
You interested in this?
This is cool.
It's got a nice little pin in there.
How much are you looking for?
Whatever market price is, 80%.
What you got on that?
This one.
That.
Sure.
What you got on it?
Look, it's not in its best condition in the sense that it has that bang over there. So, you know, you're a friend.
Why do you offer me that?
You wanted it.
How much?
Because I thought you guys have like a... I didn't even know that you wanted it. I wasn't even offering it, you just saw it.
What the? Yeah, I need that.
No.
To even get remotely close. He's already got Ultra Prism box of the birds. Or no, the Pikachu, Mewtwo.
Electabuzz, and Dragonite.
Ah, yes.
350.
How much is that?
This one I would do for you. I would do, honestly, just for you. I would do 3.7.
3.7. What are they at?
So what do you want to sell? And she's gonna go through this real fast and just pull out everything.
It's got that over there and this. Those are the two spots that are.
Flip me, Dennis.
And you can collect this here.
Flip me.
What do you want? What do you want?
36, 38.
All right, let's do it.
Oh God. You know this guy. You know this fella. He doesn't have his neck brace on today, but.
Oh yeah. I didn't, because I looked silly.
Yo, he showed us my house with his neck brace on. He's like, he hides behind the Jeep in the driveway. He's like, don't laugh, and then he pops out behind it. He's got a neck brace on.
For an entire week. I didn't bring it out.
Just here, we're gonna pick up the Cosmic Eclipse box for 36 or 38. We are gonna flip wherever it lands.
Wherever it lands.
Yeah.
What if it lands in my hand? I can catch it like this.
No catching. Sky.
So no touching.
Yes.
What if?
Damn it!
Sorry, dude. I told you 3.7. You
Yeah.
want it.
Yeah. Well, I try to get it for cheaper. Can I take stuff out?
Except the Gardevoirs.
Oh, okay. I saw Sylveon, so that's why I got confused. Yeah, this is just kind of the tin, really. Like it's because it's always the four dimples, or it sits in the plastic. It's really not a whole lot you can do about it. Oh yeah, nice little crease.
Are you ripping that box on the stream?
Hell no. What's up?
What's up?
How you doing?
Doing good.
Good. I'm gonna have to do.
If you want to bet.
I'm gonna have to do the thing again, but.
I hate you.
But that's crazy. But.
Are you walking around collector con? You are, right?
Yeah.
I'll have to find you. You're probably buying, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you want any stickers? Yeah, bro.
That's cute.
Freaking
I got stickers.
sick.
I don't even give them away. I don't give my stickers away.
He likes you.
What do you got?
I would like to sell it all.
Yeah.
And I also have a XY tin, but I couldn't find it on Collector. It's like,
Which one?
Not XY, Sun and Moon.
Tapu Koko?
Yeah, one of those.
Tapu Bulu?
Yeah.
What are you looking at for everything?
If you want to just do 30, just I don't care about the 31.
That's fine. I'm not gonna say no to that, bro. So like for what did you have Evolution at? 65?
65. Yeah, I didn't look at the mark. I didn't.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's accurate.
I did a little under for the Steam C, so 65, 25, and
Cool.
30, 30. So what? And then would you take the rest?
Yeah. What do you want to be at?
I mean,
Percentage
I'm not
wise.
gonna ask you for 90%.
Yeah. Well, like what? That's the thing.
I understand the sealed game.
Yeah.
It's just I have so much and I hate carrying it around.
I hear you.
Was that read stuff?
No, this is mine. 1250? 1240. We rounded down a little bit on some of those packs.
Let me count how much I have left.
I'll go get it. It's in my car. What, you buy that booster box today?
Yeah. We both started with empty cases, 5K each. So like,
say 1240. What's happening?
like I'll just do 7 cash.
Cool with 7 cash.
7 cash the rest. Yeah.
You want me to go get it? And then
Yeah. Sure. Cool.
No, it's not part of your challenge thing, but Chris and I wanted to see if you'd be interested in them.
So I just want to
How much you want?
We have a second one.
How much you asking on them?
I turned down 10 for both.
Steam Siege and the Guardians Rising. Why is Guardians
From
Rising so
Andrew.
high?
Yeah. I counted at 11.
What's even out of that? Guardians Rising?
I'm shopping around.
Guardians Rising?
We could only find one sale on this one. We couldn't find anything on that.
Oh, I didn't look at that. I just
One of them more expensive.
Ew, but old Surge.
Yeah, the 9, but like, I feel like I got it for a good price.
I'm on fucking stupid fucking goddamn YouTube. Yeah, I don't care about these. What are you talking about? These?
No.
Oh, okay.
You wouldn't keep the acrylics?
No, I'll probably open these bitches.
I mean, this is why I brought it over, you know? But
Yeah. So, where did you find? Can you show me the last comps you found on that one?
yeah. It was 4,600 in Belgium.
4,600.
I found it on 130 point, which it's on eBay.
Yeah, no, I don't know when that was, because I can't find it. Because what are these blisters called?
Bro, people just name them very different.
Yeah, I know. They're called something. I forget.
There's the 45.7.
April. Okay, yeah. And then there's that other one. But that's not the same. But
Yeah, that was on the same. It's just the top one. There's only one listed for each.
is there a listing? I can see. I'm not.
Yeah, this one has a 7 listing. This one has an 8 listing. This one's by Dave and Adams. They also have it listed on their website for
Yeah.
75.
So you want 33 for all three?
No, just these two. I turned
Oh, you don't. No, I'm saying you would want. You 10. Oh, yeah. Okay.
just these two for I turned down.
So 11 for both, and then
And
for
then
the
he has a
third,
second one, yeah.
third.
Yeah.
So what do you do on all three?
Honestly, bro, I'd probably be at 80.
And are you able to do PayPal?
Is there any issues with PayPal, like transfer that much money or no? You think? No?
As long I can send friends and family.
It's 440. Yeah.
Let me check the bank account here.
Round it down a little bit.
Fuck.
I'll go get it.
My bottom on my two are 11. So Chris, let me see what his bottom was.
16. Give me a little discount for buying all three. What's your name again?
Joe. Yeah.
Joe, Ryan, pleasure, bro. Next deal of the day, we're buying two of these sexy 2-pack EX Era blisters from 2006. First the Vaporeon and the Jolteon for a 11K for both. Joe, shout out to Joe, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
These cases are slippery. Beautiful, sexy blisters, guys. There was a time where I decided between keeping my EX stuff, like stuff like that, or WotC stuff. I kept the WotC stuff. I sold a lot of this stuff. I've opened these before on the channel. Okay. I've opened all three. I've opened a lot of crazy EX stuff, but I used to own a lot of that stuff.
Does Chris have his? Yeah.
But he wanted 65.
No, he wanted 6.
6.
Gave him a little bit of a deal on it.
All right, that was enough for me today.
Thank you, bro.
Bro, Joe, thank you, man. So, bro, I think I win the challenge.
That doesn't count. You went way over budget. Motherfucker went $7,000 over budget. But those are hot though. Those are worth the trip now. Definitely worth the trip, worth the time.
Yeah, bro, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them. I might not even put them up. I might just put them in a bin.
What?
No, I probably need to sell them. I need to sell that Charizard now.
Which one's been sitting here the longest?
What?
Which one do you see held on the longest?
I just bought these.
He's had everything for about 2 hours.
2 hours.
What's your channel name?
CoolTrainerRyan.
I've seen you before.
That's
Oh
good,
my
bro.
god, I'm like, you look familiar.
That's good, bro. Yeah, I literally just picked them up just a second ago.
Wow, I didn't get a chance to look through all here yesterday.
No, I wasn't here yesterday. I wasn't here. So yeah, he just guilt me in coming today for like a challenge. Yeah, I was at the World Cup yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah.
How was the traffic up there?
We took the train, so it wasn't too
Oh.
bad. Yeah. But it was still a long day, 12-hour day, long day. Guys, my 2 hours is almost up. I think Brian won this competition, but obviously I am not staying here any longer. I have a gym to get to and a live stream to prepare for.
Come by and see those. I saw you buy them earlier.
Yeah, bro.
You ended up buying that, like.
Yeah. 11 for both.
Beautiful, beautiful. All right, Nick stopped by. He's dropping off a bunch of sealed. We have a Journey Together booster box, a Mega Evolution booster box, little surprise Lucario V-Star box that wasn't in there originally, but we did pay him for it. We have 2 poster collection prismatic, the Dragonite V-Star, freaking Premier Ball box, little Tapu Bulu. Oh, it was the Bulu. Tapu Bulu box, 2 Guardians Rising Evolutions, and Steam Siege in this. Journey Together PC ETB, both battle styles, regular ETBs. Kangaskhan, Iron Valiant, and Infernape V boxes, all for $1,300. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you very Pleasure, much. Man. Appreciate you.
Show, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Recap on the day, guys. I got 30 celebrations loose packs. We got 2 celebration tins. We have 1 Ultra Prism booster box. I probably did not win the challenge, but I definitely won the day with picking up both of these beautiful EX Era 2006 blisters. Comes with Holland Phantoms and Legend Maker, and then this comes with Crystal Guardians and Legend Maker. 2 beautiful blisters for $11,000. I definitely won the day.
Just so you know, guys, Ryan cheated. This is way over budget, and it doesn't count towards our little thing we got going on. So, no. But they are sick.
I may have lost the challenge, but I definitely won the day, ladies and gentlemen.
It's not untrue. Your boy doesn't have $11K to spend on awesome blisters.